When I see another day run up and down, you say when I go down the sheet, sweet mother, sweet mother, sweet mother, sweet mother, sweet mother, sweet mother, we love you. Thank you very much. Praise the Lord. Yesterday's clouds with Jesus. Tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon and happy Sunday. Oh my goodness, this is me starting a new vlog. I just carry you on a way. I carry you on a way, my people. I just come back from church, okay? And I said, let me say hi to you. Hello, everybody. Honestly, I couldn't talk today. I couldn't update you people. I just take you on a way in the church. Sorry for that. Yeah. So right now I'm in the car going back, okay? I'll talk to you later, alright? So take care, have a very good evening. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Love you all. Inshallah, you can hear me. Too much noise. Yes, so my people, we don't come back again. I couldn't update you all, you know. It is well. I just arrived home, okay? Yeah. When I go out in the morning, arriving my place. So I try to do one or two things before I know the time to go to church. And in my mind, I wanted to go to the church where I do worship for now. And then later on, after Sunday school, I will now go to the one you saw me, okay? The other church that you saw me, right? But because actually that church, that was where I used to worship before I stopped, okay? So but today, why I'm there today is because they invite me they have women program, okay? You can see the uniforms that they are wearing. Immediately I arrived there, mommy grabbed me and put on that uniform on me. Remember? So you see that uniform putting on top of this particular one, okay? So she just grabbed me and then forced me to wear that uniform. I told her no, I was not prepared, and I wasn't even know that it would be that, that kind of a thing, like up to that level that they bring out uniform or something, polo. So she put on me and I wore. Yeah. So that's it. Like before I finished, time was already, before I know, it was late. I couldn't meet up to go to the other church, the one I do worship, like I said. So I just said, let me go here. Yeah, at once. I go to this particular one at once. Okay, that's it. So I just arrived home. Pardon my explanation. And all right, right now I will try and I wanted to take shower because the water is very hot. I want to bath hot, hot water. So yeah, yeah, we'll talk again next time, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, be yourself, stay positive, all right? Bye-bye. Pardon my schoolgirl hair. Hey. I know, so you all are even, I believe you like this hairstyle, right? At least it's not the one I used to make, the one I used to tie with, but after this one I will tie again. That's my style. Okay, now pardon me, okay? Yeah, later we'll talk again. Let me charge my phone. I think let me show you what I got, okay? This is a goosey. I got the goosey. Let me show you how they tie it. Pardon me, okay? Manage with me. Let me bring out and show you the goosey I got for the house, okay? This is let's say $1, 1,000 lila. Yeah, which is $1, but it's not up to. There's small thing on that reduced explanation. Dollar is 86. No, they say 89, but this is they say 89. Okay, let's say this is no, sorry, what am I even talking? It's more than $1. Pardon me, don't mind me. It's more than $1. Sorry, more than $1. Yeah, it's 89, and this is 1,000, right? So yeah, I got 5 of it. Okay, like this, 5. Because on Thursday, by God's grace, we have visitor as usual. So I'm going to cook a goosey, and then what again? Pardon me, let me try and show you what I got. I'm supposed to keep the camera, right, to show you what I buy. It is well. It is well with my soul. So I got, this is Gary. I got Gary. This Gary is $6. Okay, so that's what I got. Is there any other thing? No. Oh, sorry, I got something. I got something very nice. Let me show you. I have to try to keep my camera, don't worry. So yeah, pardon my office. So let me show you what. Finally got my jacket. So finally got my jacket. I have jackets. I have like 3 jackets. 2 is half. And one other, the third one is like gown. That particular jacket is like gown, black. Okay, I cannot. If you wear something like this, I cannot wear that kind of jacket. Okay, so this is something like this. I need just short, small, soft, portable. You know, portable. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Do you like the color? Yeah, the color is nice. I don't really want black, so I want something different. This winter carry wahala for body. Imagine this kind of person in the carry. So, can you see it very well? It's night, so that's why. Pardon my property, my office. Oh, yeah. So finally I got it. It's really nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. So that was what I want. Something. So finally we got jacket. Something more than girl. Yeah, this is my dress today. Sorry I couldn't show you very, very well. Let me walk front and see. This is the skirt. Okay, very nice material. It's 2 in 1. Okay, this is for winter. This is for winter. Remember, I'm old school. I love old school things. Yeah, nice material. You go we tired. Mama nyam come. Mama nyam come. This one for house, or I go to wear them. I can wear them. Not even I wear them if I want to go house or wear for house. It has this shoulder pouch, but I wanted to remove it. I don't like this, but I go leave them like that. Wash them after washing, then I will now remove it. Yeah, thank God. It's very good. Removable. You can fix it. You can remove it. Wow, I love that. I don't like shoulder part. I don't like anything shoulder part here. I don't like it. Yeah, that's me. That's me for you. And this one for my work. I like something. I love something. I gotta wear. I go to dance. Me and the clothes go to dance. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. See you in my next clip. All right, bye for now. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm cold, this is winter. I'm very cold. So welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. How are you all doing? I believe you are doing fine. I trust you are all good. Your loved one, everybody are nice, are good. Okay, yeah, if this is your first time to come across this channel, my name is Blessing and you're watching Blessing Equity TV. Okay, and also I am from Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian woman, stays in Lebanon, so you're highly welcome in Lebanon. Maybe small introduction. So yeah, I wanted to cook, so I decided to take you along with me. I will cook, and I wanted to cook, make soup, not soup to swallow a bath. Okay, I wanted to make watering soup, like drinking soup. Okay, which I will make it with. I will use a carrot, cucumber, carrot, potato, and onions and chicken. Okay, so stay tuned and let's make together. And this is my chicken. This is the potato, onions, little bit, just small soup, not much. And I'll go down to bring carrot because I don't have carrot. Let me open it. So I'll go down, I'll rush down to bring carrot, and then we start cooking. And okay, we'll put the chicken on the fire before I go. Yeah, I wanted to put the chicken on the fire, like I said, before I go. I'm adding water now. The chicken breast will not waste time. And I will also buy flour that I'm going to use for the half cake. Okay, yeah, so our chicken is here. Let me go. When I come back, I will talk to you. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, this is the carrots, the potato, and onions finally peeled. So I'm going to do it very fast because the soup, I'm sending it outside. Okay, the driver can come at any time. Yeah, I need to be very, very, very fast. Okay, I will see you. Let me start cutting. Okay, I'll talk to you again. Yeah, so chicken is ready. Chicken is ready. And our pot for soup. And this is our vegetables. It's ready. Onions, carrot, and potato. That's all we are going to use. And this is seasoning cube. So yeah, I'm going to add. I'm using olive oil. Okay. I added olive oil. And I'm going to add. Onion. Chicken stock, frozen chicken stock. I just add it. So that's it. And then right now, I'm going to move our chicken. This is the chicken breast. So the chicken I'm going to pieces them into tiny pieces. It's very hot. Very tiny pieces, but I want them to get cold. It's very hot, so I'll be able to pieces everything well. It has to be fast. I need to be fast. And look at our soup is boiling. It's super boiling. Yeah, that's how it's like. So our chicken is well pieces. you can do it smaller than this, but this is it's okay. So I'm going to add it with the soup. Yeah. Okay, you can see the soup now. Yeah. You see very well. What's it? You are. So this is winter soup. drink it. So let's test and see if there's salt. Alright, I will add salt. It's good enough. This is money. I add a little bit again. And a little bit of black pepper. No. I add black pepper already, but it's not enough for me to add small again. So our soup is almost ready. Yeah. Let me taste the potato. Okay, potato is done. Potato cannot waste time. I'll try carrot. Oh my goodness. Everything is perfectly. I taste again. Yeah. Super yummy. Right, so I'll allow it to boil like 2 to 3 minutes and then it's done. So that's it. I'm glad I'm done. So let them come now and take it. So it's ready. It's ready. Okay, close the fire. So I will allow it to calm down a little bit and then I will cover it. I will wrap it. So they want to take it with the pot, okay? So that's it. We are done. Thank you for staying with me. I'm going to wrap it now. Yeah, so I will know that I'm done with this particular section of flour. I buy flour when I go down, all-purpose flour. There's this kind of type of flour we were using last week. It was, what they call it, it was the best. Very, oh my goodness, very smooth, and it doesn't give tough time to make it like original. Like that one is original, okay? Very costly, but this one's less priced, okay? Don't worry. Let's manage this one. Okay, so let me bring all the ingredients that we're going to use, and then we start making it. yeah, we have buns and we have puff. So I'm making buns, like I said, like half cake. So this is what we are going to use. And here we have cinnamon powder. We have here nutmeg. We have here half teaspoon of baking powder and soda powder. I mix together. I use them, I use both. So this is salt for taste, egg, milk, and sugar. And of course, our flour is here. Okay, so we have our bowl here. Yeah, this is our bowl to use. Okay, so I'll start with the wet ingredient, and then later I will add the flour. Okay, so first of all, I'm egg. So sorry, I forgot to introduce vanilla. So I'm going to add a pinch of vanilla because of the egg. Okay, yeah. So right now I'm going to shift the dry ingredient inside. Start yours, okay, as you want. You just start your own, wherever you want to start from. You want to start with dry ingredient, you want to start with the flour. Anyhow, just do it. It will still come out the same taste, okay? Yeah. Sometimes I start with the flour before adding the wet ingredient, but today this is how I do it. So I'm going to add sugar. I don't want the sugar to be too much. Yeah. I remain a little bit. I don't want to add everything. Okay, time to add milk. The milk I think is too hot. I need to reduce. So the milk is too much. I warm it, like I make it hot, but it's over hot, like it's too hot. Not boiling, but it's hot. So I want to add the cold one before I take some here. I'm not measuring the flour, okay? Yeah, because I know what I'm doing, right? So finally here, it's finally okay. No flour, different type. The one I did last week that I told you earlier, it was very fantastic. Hey, it smelled very nice. It's on his back. Sorry, I have a call. So finally, I'm done. This one is hard work, So I'm going to leave it a little bit, like 10 minutes before I start frying. Okay, let me wash my hand. Our dough is ready.